Hey social media, how you doing out there? Gary Foy down here at the Big Goodwill. And guess what? We are getting Halloween started. Ah! I can't wait. It's going to be fun this year. We've got to make it fun this year. I'm going to be doing the infamous trunk or treat on my whip. And I found a bunch of stuff. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's get started. Now it's shopping time. Man, there's so much stuff. The best part is we've got these Halloween shops all over the place. Bellingham, Linwood, Juanita, all the way down to the peninsula. Go check it out. They're hot. I found something here too. Now it's time to put it all together. The key is more is better. You can never have too much Halloween, can you? All right, I put it all together, all the stuff I found in the store, and here we go. It's safe, it's fun, it's for the neighborhood. Imagine this. You can't go anywhere inside right now. You want to stay safe. So do the young ones. Let's put it in a car and let's make it Halloween and big. I'll show you what I did. Here we go. First of all, you got to make it spooky and scary. Broken skeleton I found in the store, no problem. Cobweb, use a little bit of tape and go from side to side, make it your background. Next, you're gonna wanna hang everything you can around it. Big scary spiders, you got it. Found this really cool wreath. You add a couple spiders, and gravestones, and you can't forget the candies, the main feature. Did a little of this thing on the side with more web, and this cute little, looks like a fireplace grid, and threw in some more, and we're ready to go. The idea is when you're doing this, get your neighbors together. Do like 10, 12, 24 cars. It's gonna make it super fun for the kids, super fun for adults. Have some hot beverages, bring it on down. The last thing I wanna say is, oh wait, we got a treater now. Awesome. Have fun this year. Make it special, make it big, and I'll see you again real soon. Thank you.